The video you're about to see took place under very challenging conditions. We had a small window that we could shoot the plane. We had to shoot it at midday on this particular day, so you can imagine the lighting's not ideal. We had a 43-degree day, which is a 111 degrees Celsius day, which was very hot and very difficult to shoot in, especially at midday. We had a very strong wind, so strong in fact that we had to have a couple of fellows there ready to grab the plane just in case it left the ground. So we had strong wind, very hot conditions. Our model performed really well under those difficult conditions. We tried to use softbox for some of the shots, but the problem was that the softbox was being carried away by the wind as well. Even though there were two blokes holding onto the softbox, they couldn't control it in the wind. So most of the shots were taken with hard light, just bare bulb flash. So I think we did pretty well. See for yourself, have a look at the video and see what you think. Okay, so we're here at Lachlan Airfield. It's a very windy, very warm day, forecast 43 degrees here today. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge. We're also here at probably the wrong time of day to be doing this stuff. We're here starting around 11 o'clock and we're going through till just after lunch. So the light's going to be pretty challenging, but we'll see what we can do. We've got a Tiger Moth that we're going to shoot. We've got our model coming along. We're going to use some flash to try and tame that sky in the background. We've got a few assistants here to help us out, so we'll just see how we go. It's a very challenging shoot, so hopefully we'll come up with some good results. Okay, so we've got fairly bright sunlight today. If we're shooting at 200 ISO, we're probably going to be shooting at about f16 to try and get some blue into that sky. Anything more open than f16 is going to white that sky out and we're not going to get any detail in it. So shooting at f16 means that our flashes will probably need to be at full power because we need to get enough light to light with that small aperture. So we're going to start off with a restricted shutter speed of 1/200th of a second. So they're the limitations that we have. So we're going to have to try and light as bright as we can our model with the light to try and compensate for that small aperture to get our background exposed correctly. Okay, Yasmine, why don't you just here for us, please? And the idea is it's a fashion type of shoot, so you don't have to look at the camera. You can look where, I'll tell you where to look, okay? Just try and keep that hair out of your face if we can. Yeah, terrific. View. Okay. Yes, looks great. I'll just show you this. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty hard to see.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks amazing.
It does, doesn't it? Looks good.
Yeah.
So we want you to be prominent in the shot, but the Tiger Moth's there in the background as well, and that blue sky. I think that looks really good.
Oh, and the lighting, you can really tell how it reflects off me.
Yes, it does. We're just going to use Marie's flash for this, so we'll get you with your back against the plane there, yep, and your face turned over towards here. I'll just do a test to see what that lighting's going to be like. Now, can we get you on the other side of the wing, please? All right, yeah, that's great. And in close to the fuselage if you can. Yes, yep. That's it, yep. Okay, great. All right, now we might get you changed, could we? Maybe that green. There's some water in that esky next to my car if you want some. Good, now just turn your eyes so that they're over my head. Keep your face that way, yep. That's it. Good. Okay, we're going to get you out on the end of the wing here. Just with your back against here, maybe even with that arm on there.
Yep.
Okay. So normally we get our model in place and then we work out where our lighting's going to work. So we're going to be shooting back this way. We're going to keep that light where it is, just move back a little bit. Yep. And Shane, can you light the front of the plane for us, please? All right. Maybe with that right knee, just press that across a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Good. And hold this hand up in your hair. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Good. One more. Okay, great. Now, we'll get you in the same spot. I'm just going to move in closer and do the shot. So we're going to get that. We're still going to get her to turn that way. So maybe Marie, just come around this way a little bit more. I'm just going to shoot straight back this way. I want your face turned that way a little bit, but I want your eyes on the camera this time, okay? Good, one more, yeah. Okay. Excellent. You're good at this? That's great. That dress looks great because of the vertical stripes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing, but we're going to use the softbox on there. Whoa, you all right?
Big guts there.
I've got the plane, guys.
Yeah, you got the plane.
I've got the plane.
Just don't let the wing drop.
I got it.
That'd be a good shot. The plane sailing off and Yasmine hanging on. Great. All right, that's good. Do a wider one. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, all right. I think we'll get rid of the softbox now. Just dump it straight down on the ground. Yep, just turn this around. Okay, good. Okay, great. Now I'm just going to get down low and shoot up a bit. Same thing. Yep. Okay, that's good. I like it with your hand down like that. So maybe do that again. Keep that hand there, yeah. Okay. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, that's good. I'm going to switch cameras. That's good. I want you just looking between the light and me, over the top of Shane's head. Yep. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to do a wide one. Maybe sitting, leaning your bottom back against there. Yep. That's it. Yep. Up on this. Yep. That's great. Okay. Make sure you point that toe at the back. Yep. Okay. Get a 5 then. Oh, it's again. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. That's great. And. Okay. Okay. So I want feet apart a little bit more. Yep. This hand up, just holding that hair back a little bit. Yeah. That's it. Good. And looking out over my head. Okay. Awesome. Last one. Here we go. Oops. Good. Okay. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks, Yasmine. That was fantastic. Okay, we're all done for the day. The wind and the sun made it quite difficult and quite uncomfortable, especially for our model, Yasmine. But the shots look awesome. You'll see some of the shots as we go through the video, but thanks to Robbie, thanks to all the assistants, thanks most of all to Yasmine and to Damien and Craig who loaned us the use of this fabulous plane. So we'll see you with the next video.